Here's how we can make the Instagram go full screen on the iPad. Let me explain how it works. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So when I open up the Instagram, you can see that it is on the full screen, in fact. And the reason for it is that quite recently, Instagram came with an update to their app, and they also integrated like a full-fledged iPad version of the platform. So yeah, we don't really need to use the iPhone app on the iPad, but we have a dedicated one for the iPad OS. And you can make sure that you get it by installing the updates both for your iPad as well as for the app itself. So at first, you can go to the settings of your device, find a general and a software update, and make sure that you run the latest version of the iPad OS. But then I would also go to the App Store and look up Instagram from the list. And if there is an update available, then you can click on install or update, and you're going to get the latest version of the app. And if your iPad supports it, then you should most definitely get in like an Instagram, which takes up the full screen, no longer the scaled version of the iPhone app anymore. So that's really cool, and you can really just use Instagram much better with this approach. So I was hopefully able to explain the way that it works. If you're new here or first time on this channel, definitely stay tuned for more tips and videos like this one. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the future uploads. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.